This week we've got a massive episode lined up. Trips to IKEA, trips out to suppliers to pick cars up, employee of the month, loads and loads and loads of stuff. But unfortunately, or fortunately, we sold a ton of cars at the weekend. What that has meant is everything's gone to shit. The workshop's gone to shit, site's gone to shit, sales team's gone to shit. But most importantly, Craig has absolutely gone to shit. So he's going to do you a quick preview of what's coming Monday. And you'll have to stay tuned, 24 hours. So bear with us. Hope you like this little sneak preview. And if you're absolutely following the channel and you want to support us, hit the subscribe button. Be really appreciated. And hang on till Monday night. It'll be worth the wait because this one's going to be a banger. But he's going to have to put it together Monday morning when actually, hopefully, he should be processing and organising another massive weekend. But we'll see what happens. I'm going to shut up now and let you watch a little trailer and we'll see you soon.
Right, we've got no plan here.
No.
We've not even got a shopping list. Right, we ain't got time for this.
I've got, you know the one you looked at the heated seat on?
This feels farcical already. We're going to come out of here with absolutely nothing, I guarantee.
So, look.
Right, we need to decide on a colour scheme. Come on, we've almost made a decision here.
Hold on, yeah.
This is the problem, we've come shopping with no clear idea of what we want.
Don't laugh, don't laugh, don't laugh.
This is a good start.
Right. What's the work postcode?
How are you going to get the trolley through then?
We can't be arsing about.
I can't believe you've stolen the chocolate bar.
Give him a round of applause.
The crowd goes wild.
And the crowd goes mild.
Do enough charity work. Do a lot of charity work. Right, let's carry on.
I can smell it now.
Yeah, well, it's all those tissues are now in your bin.
So thanks for watching the trailer for tomorrow's episode. We really appreciate it. Again, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. Monday night it's happening. Come on.